All right, now to program the remote, and you can use this remote with multiple garage doors, so I'm probably gonna put the right side door on the top one and the left side door on the bottom one. All you want to do is remove this right here. Now the battery's active in here. I'm going to show you how to program each of these key remotes. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to hold the set and program button. All right, we'll see that light blinking purple in there, and then we take our remote and select the button that we want. We want to be about 9 feet at maximum away from this, and we're going to press whatever button we want to control this twice, and then once the lights go out, it's programmed, and then we should be able to activate the door with this button now. All right, now programming this is just as easy as the key fobs. So what we want to do is we want to go into that programming mode again. So we're going to hold our set program button until the blue and purple lights come on, okay? And then you want to make sure that this is not lit up. So we're going to type 3, 5, 7, and then we're going to hit the up down button 3 to 4 times slowly until the garage door operates. All right, now to program your own custom code into this, what you need to do is you need to type that factory code of 357 and then press the program key, and then you can enter a 3 to 8 digit code of your choosing in here. Once you enter that code, press the program key once more, and then this is programmed with your new custom code. Now all we have to do is use the 2 provided mounting screws and mount this outside.